Thank you for stepping on board our recently traded 2018 Galeon 45 HTS. Here we are in the aft cockpit. Got great U-shaped seating, aft sunshade, Raymarine radar, and track vision satellite TV. Walking forward, you have a nice U-shaped seating around a teak table, Samsung LG TV, plenty of natural lighting throughout the entire cockpit. Coming forward to the helm, this is a boat equipped with the Raymarine 12-inch Axiom display, autopilot, and this boat is a Volvo IPS with DPS. Coming down into the cabin, nice U-shaped seating. It is a high-low table, so it does convert to a third berth. More TVs throughout, beautiful laid-out galley, refrigeration, induction stovetop, plenty of cabinetry and storage up above. Walking forward to our VIP. Got nice island-styled seating so you can make the bed very easily. Plenty of cabinetry and storage. Nice hanging lockers on the port side. Once again, plenty of natural light with all the whole windows. You have a Jack and Jill style head. So it is a vacuum flush head and shower combo. Alrighty, let's take a look at the master. It's a full beam master. You have a nice settee here on the port side. The beautiful beechwood interior looks really stylish. Some great designs. Alrighty guys, this is Sean Doyle with MarineMax here in Pompano Beach. If you'd like to see more, please reach out to me on my cell phone. My number is 954-579-8956.